Ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kandang ban Shym rai halor ulane ka kertong ban ai reng ha ka elections teng samoy ha Gambegre constituency. Ka BJP kala rai ban mi Pyniakhun ya kana ka elections teng samoy inre indang ap Shym rai ya ulane ka kertong ong nong yalam ka BJP bat menteri sarkar ba AL hek ha ba ya kren bat kilat batai ka bor hinne ka sengi nengkong.
No, decided. We have decided. This one, though, I cannot tell you which is the candidate because we have not received even the applicants now. Once we get the application, then definitely we'll be zeroed down to the best candidate.
How many applicants so far?
So far, I have not received. We have not seen any application because we have not yet notified also no election. Once they will be notified, then only we will be able to understand. Let's wait for notification.
BJP in this Gambegre bypoll since the party is interested to contest.
The chances the BJP is a national party and we are going to fight this election, and the chances depend also on the how many candidates who applied for come to conclusion.
The Gambegre, and they have expressed confidence that they will retain the Gambegre seats. What do you have to say?
I don't have to say for any other political parties. I know only BJP. If you have anything you ask for BJP, I can reply you. But if you ask me for any other political parties, I will not be able to reply.